Welcome everyone, welcome in our main trading room here, and of course our YouTube followers. Appreciate the fact that you're following. Please don't forget to hit that like button for us if you joined. You can notice that the S&P starts down 0.4%, Nasdaq is down 0.5%, we are coming down. Some stocks which are relatively weak are Tesla down 1.5%. We had a nice short trade in Tesla yesterday, and I'm going to short it if it comes under 159.70, which is quite close. Lowering my size, may not have the time to post it. Tesla short under 159.70. It's getting close, it's relatively weak. It's about to trigger, I believe. Watching the buyers. Buyers are still holding above the 70 mark. Also watching FRC. We've got UPS2. I want to short UPS traders, but it just triggered. If I'm going to get the chance to short
now on McDonald's,
UPS under closer to 182, I'll do it. Watch UPS. Tesla did not trigger, but UPS, I want to short it. But I think it just ran away.
watch 293 here for my entry on McDonald's. I'm coming in right here, 292.99. I am long McDonald's, MCD long.
Market's initial move is up. Look at the way
Following
Baba.
Baba for a long.
Oh, really? I'm going to short it under 85, Yogi.
I will go long later.
I was
Good
about
luck.
to short it. I was about to post it, you know? Watch Baba. I think this pullback.
The daily chart is extended, I think. 85.20.
About to short Baba under 85. Again, the market is moving up, but it's way too early to establish market direction right now. I do like Tesla much more now after it moved up. Baba may trigger soon. Baba triggered, I'm short. Now, I'm going to short Tesla under 160, it's close.
Well, I'm posting Baba. If it will move above 85.20, I will go long.
Posted Tesla and I'm short Tesla. Spotify
about to go
for
long.
long could be interesting over 144. I'm going to post spot. In case it decides to move higher. We have to remember the market started with a gap down today, quite a big one. I do not expect it to move up and close the gap. It's more likely that we will come down.
291 on McDonald's will be my stop loss, 291.
I'm having trouble with Baba here, but I'll wait a bit.
But trigger,
NVDA
guys.
long, 271.50. 271.50 may not have time to post it here. I am long NVDA, long 271.50. Okay, 2 trades right now. McDonald's may be a stop loss here.
Watch Spotify in case it tries to move higher again. Tesla's doing well. And I will stop Baba if it moves over 85.50.
I think to add above 85.50. Because then I
Tesla
think
is
the next
approaching
will
my
be
target. I'm getting
85.70
ready
and
for a
96.
partial.
Wow,
Good.
Tesla.
New lows, more than a point here in Tesla. Now, took my partial in Tesla. Baba pulled up. I don't like what Baba did, but you should give it some space. So the fact that it moved up doesn't mean too much. And it is weak today. It's down 2%. And I'm also watching PDD, which is at the lows. Should have shorted this one. Did not. Didn't really see it triggering. Apple is strong today. Holding up. Google just moved to a new high. Amazon is looking weak. Take a look at Amazon.
I am out of the McDonald's trade with a loss. I'm starting the day with a losing trade on
I'm going to
McDonald's
short
MCD.
Amazon under 104.90.
I'm about to go long Nvidia, 270. I'm long Nvidia. That was fast. Oh, nice Nvidia. Baba is red, moving against me. Oh,
Posted
Baba.
McDonald's getting sold off here.
Amazon
Take
for
another
a
McDonald's
possible
trade,
short.
291 to the upside here.
New low in Tesla, looking
Still
good. The
holding
market's
Baba?
looking for direction. Market's kind of stuck, looking for direction. We did move up, first 5-minute candle. And now we're kind of going sideways. Tesla just moved to a new low, looking great. And Baba finally getting back to its senses.
Yeah. Still holding Baba. I didn't add above 85.50. So not a full share size. I'll hold
Okay.
it.
Amazon is
Still in
getting
Nvidia,
ready for a
I'm long
trigger
McDonald's, long
under
MCD.
104.90.
Target 293.
About to short Amazon if it triggers under 104.90. I posted it in the trading room. It's getting close. Buyers 91, 90, 89. I'm in. I'm short Amazon. Based on the
Nvidia,
Nasdaq,
price
we
stop
could
loss.
come down. The Nasdaq just touched a new low. But Nasdaq doesn't count. What counts is the S&P, and the S&P is still holding to the highs. But some stocks are relatively weak,
Still
like
holding
Amazon, which
SPA.
is down 1.2%. And I hope it's going to continue its journey. And of course, Tesla is down 1.9, Baba is down 2.2. But the market is moving to a new high. The S&P just moved to a new high. Which will
Big
be
now, big
challenging.
move on McDonald's MCD. Going for at least 2 points here to 293. It'd be a good trade.
Still holding
Pushing.
NVDA. Still holding Baba.
Still long
Wait for my
NVDA.
next trade.
Yogi, you're in NVDA long?
Yeah, I took only 600 shares, but it's more than one risk unit. I think I will right now. I'm closing Nvidia.
I'm still in the trade long. I'm long NVDA. I'm long
closed it.
McDonald's.
Only 600 shares in NVDA, but it spiked me in and then dropped in a few seconds. And now Baba also moving against me again.
Here we go on the McDonald's trade. MCD. Again, anything over 293, I will come out of this trade. Got to get that bid up. Selling into the bid. Selling into this move bottom.
S&P is
Burned
holding
on
to
the
the
way
highs.
down. Nailed it on the way up.
Come on, Baba, new low. Come on, Baba,
10
new
cents to
low.
go.
Let's
Come
go
on.
for it. Let's go for it. I'm still short some Tesla and definitely not doing well, but I think Tesla's going to come down anyway. Later, I may be able to add.
20 cents to go. MCD, 20 cents to go. 16 cents to go. 15 cents to go.
Come on, Baba. Baba got
There we
support
go.
at the lows, but
293.21,
now
I'm out.
I think it's likely to come down. 84.60 is the lows. Come on, Baba.
quickly turn my day green.
Not going to
Okay,
Baba.
new low in Baba.
Okay, all is forgotten on the first trade now. Now we just got to have
Market's moving
NVDA
up.
come and grab us here.
Market's moving up. Tesla's following.
2 points on the McDonald's trade here after losing on the way down. Did not increase my share size. Did not take anything less either.
I'll have to stop Amazon soon. Definitely over the highs. Yeah, over the highs. 105.45. I'll stop it. And I'm still short some Tesla here. But I think the market should fail and Tesla will eventually come down. Baba new lows.
Tesla.
Let's go
After
Baba.
Baba will break 50. Okay, now Baba is extended. I'll wait for it to bounce, and I'm still holding Baba. A bit more than one risk unit right now.
I'm about to take my partial in Baba real soon. Now, took my partial in Baba. And that's the point where I think the market should fail. Look at the topping tails. We've got some topping tails in the S&P. We've got some topping tails in the Nasdaq. I should get an opportunity to add to Tesla, possibly under 160. I'm posting Tesla for a short under 160. That's actually an adding point for me. And of course, I'm riding Amazon here, hoping that Amazon will eventually come down with a stop.
I'm still holding on to NVDA. Ahmad, you sure did. Yep. I got it
I'm
long,
still
you got it
holding up.
short. You're 100% right on this trade right here.
I
Apple
think
is
it's
still
still
Anything
the
under
long.
292.50, I will come out of McDonald's the rest of it.
Apple looks like it's looking for a new high.
Tesla's taken off without me.
And the Nasdaq is spiking over
Wow,
the highs. I
use
was
this
wrong
bouncing
about
sharp.
this reversal point. Definitely not a reversal point. Not yet anyway. We'll wait and see.
Pepsi about ready to break out. Got to
Amazon's
take this
still
trade.
looking
Traders
weak.
189.17 on Pepsi, PEP. PEP on the breakout. There we go.
Apple just touched the highs. Boeing's crashing. Why didn't I see that?
Okay, I'm long and strong. 189.50, I will add. Come on, NVDA, you're crushing me here. Let's go. Again,
You
my
long
entry on
NVDA, Scott?
NVDA 271.50 point off. What's that?
You're long NVDA?
I am long NVDA. I took it way up here, 271.50 or so.
Yeah, you know, it came down, closed the
But
gap.
come all the
So
way
if the
down.
market's going to continue, it seems like it does. It was strong today, so although it's trending lower, it could easily move back to the highs, especially if the market is going to move higher. And it seems like
Microsoft.
the market does want to move higher, sadly, because I'm short Amazon, and that's gonna get me stopped in Amazon if the market does move higher. Amazon is likely to move
Microsoft
to a
is
new
setting
high.
up, in my opinion, for a short, even with earnings tonight. I'm going to take it here. MSFT Softy on the short side here. And it's going to be right at the break of 281.30.
Netflix looks weak.
Target's going to be 281. I'm going to add under 281 on Microsoft.
How's the daily looks like?
Yeah,
on Netflix?
McDonald's still looking good. 200 shares left. McDonald's
Kind
MCD.
of trending lower from the recent highs. Is this the turning point
Baba
of the
is splitting
S&P?
the lows, still holding.
Definitely look like it could be. I think I just missed a few good trades here. I was too late responding to Netflix, and now I feel a little bit, I feel like I don't want to take more risk in Tesla.
What's
I
the
don't.
S&P?
Oh, look at this market reversal. Look at the market reversal. I'm going to add to Tesla short here.
Okay, short Microsoft here. I'm adding now under this. I've added full share size now. Watch us melt down to this 280 area. That's going to be my target on MSFT.
I just added to my Tesla
Sold
short.
Baba.
Look at the market breaks down. Look at the S&P. Wow.
Oh.
Out of all NVDA shares, NVDA losing trade.
Amazon
Got one winning
immediately
trade,
responded to
two
that.
losing trades so
Beautiful
far.
new low in Amazon. And now come on
Microsoft.
Tesla. You should do the same.
Microsoft looking good.
There goes Amazon.
Wow. I didn't see this candle coming. Wow. Microsoft, Nvidia. Dropped out from Baba, but wow. What a
let's
trap.
Guys, you should be used to this. Yeah, should be used to this. This is what we've had for the past couple of weeks. Big moves higher and then sharply lower like this. here.
Yeah.
And this
Well-
is where I'm going to come out of the Microsoft trade.
I wish I would short something.
Traders, it could have been expected, you know, it could have been expected. Of course, I couldn't have expected such a big red candle. But the fact is, when the market starts down like 0.5%, it's normally going to be a gap and go. So the fact that the S&P moved up a little bit, don't get overexcited going long, because normally that is not the direction to choose. It's likely that the market at some point will reverse and move lower, and wow, definitely a big reversal. A big reversal here.
There's 3/4 of the trade out on Microsoft. I had full share size there after adding to this trade to the downside. So a nice winning trade here. I'm barely green. I'm green less than $100 right now on the overall day.
Wow.
Should be a lot more.
Look at Baba. Guys, I'm about to covering now some more Baba, leaving just 100 shares. I do not have my partial in Amazon, not yet. It did move down, but not enough. Well, it is trending lower, so I hope it's going to continue. I'm a little worried about Tesla now, because Tesla should have responded to this very red candle in the S&P. So the question is, why Tesla isn't coming down? And the answer, well, there's two options here. One, I've got it wrong. it will move higher. I don't think so. The second is a delay, and stocks are delayed. And here comes the move I was looking for in Tesla. So the nice thing about trading is that the S&P shows you the way. And then normally only then, stocks join. So if you're looking for a trade that did not respond to the market's move and relatively weak, like Tesla is relatively weak, then it is likely, and I'm not saying it's 100%, it's going to do the same as I expected, same as the market. I mean, crash down like the market. But you look for a stock that is relatively weak, like Tesla is down 1.8%. The S&P is moving down. Therefore, you expect it at some point to catch up with the market. It's normally delayed. When there is a delay, that's your chance to gain. And here comes Amazon. Beautiful new low. Getting ready for a partial. Market had a big downside move, so I expect the S&P to pull back up a little bit. Already started. We have some bottoming tail here. I do not want it to pull back up right now, but realistically speaking, when we are that extended to the downside, you would expect some kind of a pullback at the lows. And the S&P is too extended to the downside right now. A big red candle normally calls for a pullback. But if I'm lucky, we're going to see some continuation here. And I'm thinking whether I should take my partial in Amazon because it just moved to a new low. So I'm waiting just a little bit more. I see a green candle in the S&P, small green candle. If I'll be lucky, Amazon will continue to move down. But you know what? I'm going to take my partial if it moves over 60, over 104.60. I don't want to be there during a pullback, and I do expect a big pullback in the S&P. So if Amazon decides to move over 104.60, I'm watching the sellers. They're still under 104.60, 452 something right now. And I do see some red candle, a possible red candle in the S&P, not very likely, but we're still down. Not much of a pullback. So if I'm lucky, it's going to continue coming down, but I want to be on the safe side. So I'm going to take my partial in Amazon if it moves over 104.60. Sellers at 60.61. Took my partial. Took my partial in Amazon. It's not, I mean, I was expecting a better trade. I was expecting it to move farther, but I can't complain so far. 3 green trades. I did add to Tesla, so this is a bit risky now. I'll wait and see.
Yeah, really nice trading.
How Tesla will respond. The market again is extremely extended to the downside. I'm still short small size in Baba, Amazon, and of course the added quantity in Tesla, which is in fact risking my gains, because if Tesla will move higher from here, my Tesla gains are at risk. I will close Tesla if it moves over 161. Not with a spike, I'm waiting. Never move out on spikes, it just spiked up, but I am getting ready to close it down. Over 161, now the spike has cooled down a little bit. So I could close it if it moves over 161. Since it started to move up that way, I think, sadly, it is likely to move over 161. Well, I will have to close it.
I'm going to post an NVDA trade here long. NVDA long 269.
Yes, we do have a new low. S&P at a new low. Tesla will respond now. Should respond now. And again, remember, Tesla is relatively weak. It's down 1.6%. Let's move to 5-minute candles, which I normally do at around the 30-minute mark. Market's hitting new lows, and Tesla out of Tesla. I can't believe that. I'm taking covering some more Amazon here. Well, my second trade in Tesla did not work out, traders. But, you know, I am done for the day. I want to stay green, and I am done for the day. Here's my results today. As you can see here, I've got a winning trade in Amazon. I'm still riding. Wasn't much size. Tesla, my second trade, left me with a profit of $43, where I was up, I don't know, 1,700, something like that, I'm not sure. Baba turned out to be my best trade, still riding it. So with my open trades here, I believe I'm just at around 3 grand. Again, thank you very much for joining in today. If you are in YouTube, don't forget to give us a like. As I normally do recently, I will upload all of this trading session to YouTube, and I hope you like it because it's a new format for me, and I wonder if you guys are interested in seeing more formats like this, which means I do not edit my video. You can see whatever I thought about, whatever I did, my thought process, the whole, I mean, every click I clicked, every button I touched. And I think it's very educational and it should be helpful. If you do like it or if you don't like it, please mention that in the YouTube, I mean, just in the remarks below the video, so I will know if that's something I should consider, you know, doing more or not. And anyway, it's been a pleasure. So if you are in YouTube, please give us a like and help our channel. And don't forget to subscribe. There's a button right here. For those of you in our live trading room here, thank you very much for joining. Hope you enjoyed. I certainly did have a nice green day. Hope you did too. And I do travel tomorrow to Palma de Mallorca for the weekend. So you will only see me here, I guess, next week. Thank you, everyone. Have a great time. And
we'll see you next Monday, I guess.
Yep. Thanks. Bye.